Baby is cleaning. Ayan, nakatoka siya sa baba, guys. Ako naman sa taas. Yes, I already cleaned the bathroom.
You clean the bathroom?
Yeah.
Most important.
Major in homie katatay. Savi. Si Savi naman. Hello. Hello. Ayan, ito yung taga-kalat eh. Yan, malinis na yan ngayon. Mamaya kalat na naman. Mayong hapon, guys. So, it's Sunday. Afternoon siguro mga 1. And, as usual, hindi kami nagpiperang sa bahay. So, andun na sila Wibi sa sasakyan. Ako na lang inaantay. Palagi kasi ako nalilate sa kanila. Yung mga dalawang yan, palagi nauuna. And, ayun, maglalakad na naman kami sa forest daw. So, ganun siya. Pagbigyan.
Deze koppeling?
Right.
Nee, koppeling, ja. Koppeling is voor deze. Don't fall asleep when you're driving. Nu doe ik in 1. En die, hè? Koppeling, hè? En dan koppeling omhoog en gas, hè? Gaat zo, hè?
Wat
Weet
is
je
de
nog,
English
hè?
of koppeling lang?
Ik weet het niet meer.
Guys, nag-aano na siya sa akin kasi pressure niya ako mag-driving lesson.
Eet op. Gas en los. 1 en 2. Hoor je? Motor. 3.
Kasi guys, yung lilipatan namin,
Links.
16 minutes
Knipperlicht.
drive papunta sa work ko. Kaya sabi niya, mas maganda daw mag-aral.
Pay attention. Nu, koppeling. Los.
Okay.
Jij wil rijden? Ja, jij hebt hem oefenen. She has to practice for the...
Patay na tayo.
She lives now far from city. En nu?
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, andito na kami sa forest. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka bundok na bundok. Yung mga tao dito, mahilig sila sa walking ng ganito. Sa unahan may mga tao naglalakad din. And yung nakaganda dito is may mga sign siya. At iba depende sa kung saan na route yung gusto mo. So iba-iba yung kulay. For example, papakita ko. Like for example, may orange, may blue. Tapos may sign sila kung yung blue pa right or pa diretso ba. Like this one. Ayan, yung diretso na yan na blue papunta doon sa straight na yun. Ayan siya guys, may color, blue at black. And ito siya, ayan, accessible sa mga may wheelchair. Yeah, at sa mga may stroller. Wow!
Bij. Die doet zoek. Ja. Mooi hè?
Wat sabi?
Nee,
Oh, nee, oh,
nee, wat doe je nou?
Nee.
Nee, dit is niet lief. Nou, auw. Erbij, auw.
Alain, kijken na.
Een grote dit. Kijken hè, daar, hier en daar. Hier, kijk hier. Kijk.
Kijken, Alain, kijken.
Kijken hè, voorzichtig. Oh, dat is mooi hè. Wil je me zien hier? Hier, wat?
Waar?
Kijk, Savi.
No move.
Oh.
Wow! Sabi a king!
King of the forest.
Hello, say hi.
Hello. What can I do for you? I bring you a stick. Oh, you don't like it? I'm sorry. I will get a new stick. Yeah? Okay, my boss.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because...
Where's Papa?
It's a beautiful day. My beginning.
Oh.
As bright as the sun. And once you come around, and it feels
Okay, so we are from here, guys.
it's raining on me.
Okay, hanap Papa now.
Follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much left to
Guys, nawawala kami.
me this time. Baby, baby, now
Hindi naman nawawala. May gusto kaming puntahan na may tubig.
there is so
Pero,
give. Something's telling me it's right
hindi namin na
to me. Oh, I knew
natunton.
boy. The one to show me now and forever.
Hello!
I'll never be alone again.
Hello!
Oh, yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me
Yeah.
we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day. Oh, yeah, all day.
Resting time. Ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, ayan dun, mga kabakahan. So, ito yung place na gustong-gustong pagtambayan ni Wibe. Ayan. Titingin-tingin ng mga ibon. Ayan. Si Sabi, maliit pa rin ni niya. So, since medyo mahaba yung oras namin ng pagpapahinga dito, we might as well give you some advice, guys. Paano nag-work yung LDR during our times. Kasi kumain ako ng biskwit. Ayan, during our times, 3 years ago. 3 years ago, we are in a long distance relationship.
Now short distance.
Short distance. 5 lang naman talaga yung naging ingredients namin, guys, during our time. So, sabihin ko sa inyo yung 5 muna before i-explain namin isa-isa. First is love, and then trust, and then loyalty, of course communication.
Every day, yeah.
Yes, it was every day. And then 5,
Skype and
yeah, and then the number 5, guys, is patience. Kasi alam mo yun, pag walang patience talaga, walang makakatagal sa long distance relationship. So you will not stay longer in a relationship if you have no patience. May mga tao sa likod,
but
guys.
even with
nila.
short distance, you need patience.
More.
More patience.
Now we are talking about
Long
LDR. And okay, explain namin yung sa number 1. Yung number 1 is love. Of course, we started in an online. So hindi naman po mafe-feel kaagad yung love. And of course, as you talk every day, ayan, napasok na yung communication. Ayan, you get to know each other well. Kumbaga, nasaksihan mo yung katangian na gusto mo sa isang lalaki. And then, you fall in love. So, dun papasok yung love.
Oh, well, you should like someone first. First,
Yeah.
it's sight.
Yeah.
Then you start talking.
Yeah, and then love.
Yeah, and then you know if it's really a good
Okay.
person or not.
Yung number 2 namin is trust, guys. So, di ba, when you are in a long distance, kailangan may trust kayo sa isa't isa. So, you have to trust him, and he has to trust me. So, yun lang. That's as simple as that.
Ask questions so you know.
Yes. So, ask questions so you know kung saan siya or anong ginagawa niya. And then number 3, ayan, loyalty. So, ito yung isa sa nawawala, lalong-lalo na sa mga lalaki daw. So, pag malayo, natitintal, ano ba yung Tagalog na
But loyalty is in every relationship important.
Yes, loyalty na. Guys, hindi ko alam anong Tagalog ng natintal. So, kayo na lang yung mag-ano ng Tagalog nun. So, di ba, may mga sexing babae, magandang babae. So, minsan pinapagpalit nila yung matagal na nila na relasyon para sa isang, ano mo yun, sa isang gabing nagkita sila. Oh my gosh. Love, I'm explaining. So, ayun, communication. Naano ko na yung communication kanina.
That's the problem of long
ko na.
distance. You really start to know someone with short distance.
Yes, hindi niya yung ginawa sa akin nung long distance kami, guys. Tapos,
Then,
nung pagpunta ko dito, na-shock na lang
show
ako.
your real color.
Yes. Na-shock na lang ako, parang unggoy na. Yan yung sasabi. Kung saan nagmana yan, it looks like his dad. And ayun na nga, yung number 5, patience. So sabi nga niya, patience, even in short distance, you need to have patience. Like me, I have so much patience.
Well, not with my jokes.
Kasi
But
bully
you
ko.
have more patience with other things, that's true.
Yeah.
Come, we go.
Love. Okay, so ayan, ganyan siya. And so I hope may natutunan kayo. That's all for today for Ate Val's advice.
I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if
Pamilya-Dutch, guys.
as long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
So guys, I hope you like our video for today and thank you for watching.
Yeah, but I want to be also in the picture. I don't see myself.
No, I see you. Okay, you want what's that?
Yeah.
Focus.
You're running.